Hey there! Looking for a credit card that rewards you for responsible financial habits? Applying for the SoFi credit card is done online and offers unique perks for SoFi members. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to apply. You can find the application on SoFi.com or in the SoFi app under Credit Card Offerings. The card offers unlimited 2% cashback on all purchases when you redeem points into a SoFi account, like Invest or for loan payments. The application will ask for your personal and financial information. Approval decisions are often quick, and you can usually start using a digital version of the card in your mobile wallet immediately. My crucial pro tip? Link your card for automatic redemption into Invest. During setup, choose to have your cashback automatically deposited into your SoFi Invest account. This turns every purchase into a micro-investment, seamlessly building your portfolio over time. That's how you get a credit card that actively contributes to your long-term financial goals. What's more important to you in a credit card: simple cash back, travel rewards, or unique redemption options? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on strategic credit cards, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.